following county: Fayette, Ohio. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect. This is the National Weather Service office in Wilmington, Ohio. The preceding signal was a test of the weather radio station KIG, 86 Columbus, Ohio, public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Hocking, Knox, Licking, Madison, Marion, Morrow, Muskingum, Perry, Pickaway, and Union. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station KIG, 86 Columbus, Ohio. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Pickaway County, north central Ross County in southwestern Ohio until 2:15 p.m. At 1:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Williamsport, moving southeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard: 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Circleville, South Bloomfield, Williamsport, Logan Elm Village, Fox, Darbyville, West Marion State Park, Pickaway County Airport, State Route 138 at U.S. Route 22 and East Ringgold. You are listening to NOAA Weather. Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Hocking County, southeastern Pickaway County, northeastern Ross County in southwestern Ohio until 3 p.m. At 2:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Kingston, moving southeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard: 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Chillicothe, Kingston, Hocking Hills State Park, Logan Elm Village, Londonderry, Laurelville, Adelphi, Andersonville, Mooresville, Whistler, South Bloomingville, Pickaway County Airport, and Hallsville. Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Fayette County, Ohio, southern Pickaway County, north central Ross County in southwestern Ohio until 3 p.m. At 2:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Williamsport, moving east damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Circleville, Williamsport, New Holland, Logan Elm Village, Clarksburg, Pickaway County Airport, State Route 207 at U.S. Route 22, State Route 138 at U.S. Route 22 in Andersonville. Here is a special weather statement for the following counties in Ohio: Fairfield, Hocking, Pickaway, and Ross. A strong thunderstorm will affect southwestern Fairfield, Hocking, southeastern Pickaway, and northeastern Ross counties until 2:45 p.m. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Franklin County, Ohio, Delaware County, Central Union County, Ohio, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:46 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Richwood, moving southeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbus, Dublin, Westerville, Delaware, Gahanna, Marysville, Worthington, Powell, Sunbury, Richwood, Ashley, Minerva Park, Valeris, Easton, Radnor, Shawnee Hills, Galena, Ostrander, Riverly, and Magnetic Springs. This includes Interstate 71 in Ohio between mile markers 116 and 138. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Fayette County, Ohio, southwestern Pickaway County, northwestern Ross County, in southwestern Ohio until 7 p.m. At 3:55 p.m., radar indicated that thunderstorms had produced 2 to 4 inches of rain across the warned area. Heavy rain continues to fall with another inch or 2 possible this afternoon. Runoff from this excessive rainfall will cause flash flooding to occur. Some locations that will experience flooding include Circleville, Logan Elm Village, New Holland, Williamsport, Clarksburg, Good Hope, Rock Mills, Plano, Austin, Frankfort, Fox, and Andersonville. This also includes areas near and along Paint Creek, Deer Creek, and Yellowbud Creek. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. To report flash flooding, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Coshocton County, northwestern Muskingum County until 6:15 p.m. At 5:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Glenmont, or 12 miles southwest of Millersburg, moving southeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles an hour. Source, radar. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Coshocton, Warsaw, Nellie, Walhonding, Leyland, Blissfield, New Guilford, Cooperdale. The service in Wilmington has extended the flash flood warning for southeastern Fayette County, Ohio, southwestern Pickaway County, northwestern Ross County, in southwestern Ohio until 10 p.m. At 6:38 p.m., radar indicated that rainfall amounts of 2 to 4 inches have occurred across the warned area, with as much as 4 to 5 inches near Good Hope, Plano, and Austin. Additional thunderstorms are expected to move into the warned area over the next few hours. Some locations that will experience flooding include Circleville, Frankfort, Good Hope, Austin, Plano, Logan Elm Village, New Holland, Williamsport, Clarksburg, Rock Mills, Fox, and Andersonville. This also includes areas near a Longheron Creek, Paint Creek, Deer Creek, and Yellowbud Creek. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. To report flash flooding, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Ohio, southwestern Pickaway County, northwestern Ross County in southwestern Ohio, until 3:45 a.m. At 9:46 p.m., law enforcement officials continue to report many roads closed due to high water from earlier heavy rain. Very heavy rainfall of 3 to 5 inches fell in this warned area. It will take some time for the water to recede. Some locations that will experience flooding include Circleville, Williamsport, New Holland, Logan Elm Village, Good Hope, Frankfort, Clarksburg, Austin, Pickaway County Airport, State Route 207 at U.S. Route 22, Rock Mills, Plano, and Andersonville. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. To report flooding, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.